Welcome to the Math Magician channel. In this video, we will solve square root different examples. And you know the practice make the math perfect. So what is today's goals? We have to solve with the square root sums and remember one thing in your mind, we will use prime factorization. It's understood, but using the division method. It means the another method is also valid for it, yes, but you have to wait for the next coming videos. So let it take a start from the question answer session. They are giving you the question, find a square root of the following numbers by using the division method. So two numbers are given to you, solve it one by one. 400. Step number 1. You have to solve it by the division method. So division method, according to division method, you have to make it the ladder and you have to solve it until you are getting 1 in the last. And you are restricted here. You have to use here only the prime numbers, and you know what are the prime numbers? Those are coming in their own table. So what are the prime number that comes in your mind? 2. After 2 I can consider 3. After 3, I can consider 5. After 5, I can consider 7. But we are not able to use 4 directly. It's wrong. So we have to use 2. Is it fine? Yes, this is very important rule. It's not necessary that you are using all same numbers. It's not necessary. You can use it. But your target, just you have to use the prime numbers. Whatever you are using the prime numbers, just you have to use the prime numbers only. Yes, so 400 is given to you. 400 comes in a table of 2. So can I divide it by 2? So the answer comes 200. 200 can I divide it by 2 again? So the answer comes 100. 100 is a friend of 2. Can I divide it by 2? The answer is 50. 50 is a friend of 2. Can I divide it by 2? So the answer is 25. But 25 not is a friend of 2 because it's not comes in a table of 2. So after 2 my next prime number will be 3. It's not also the friend of 3. So can I take after 3 5? Yahoo! It's a friend of 5. So 5 fives are 1 and finally in the last I got 1. And once I got 1, so what will be my next step? I have to write all the numbers in one lane. And after writing all the numbers in one lane, I have to make a pair together one pair and make sure the pairs having the same number. Yes, so one's number from each pair, and after one's number from each pair, finally we got the answer by multiplication. 2 twos are 4 and 4 fives are 20. And for the verification, what I have to do? 20 squared means 20. If I am going to multiply by 20 by 20, so my result comes, it means it's 400. My overall working has been correct. Yay! Okay, so the square root of 256. It's the another method by using the division method. Only the representation of the data is different. How it's? You will use the division method 256, solve it by, and you have to lane all the factors here. But here the next step will be different. You are not making the pairs together, but you are writing 2 power 2 this pair. For this you are writing 2 pair 2. For this pair you are writing 2 pair 2. For this pair you are writing 2 pair 2. For this pair you are writing 2 pair 2. And once you are showing it this step, what you will do, you are considering square root on both sides. And once you are taking square roots on both sides, so this square root will be cancel out this powers, because all having two powers. Can I show it just like this? This is the another method. Some students use this method for the square root. This square root will cancel out this power, so finally you get the numbers. And once you are getting the numbers, you will multiply and finally you got the answer. This is the same as the previous one. It depends on you which method you want to use it.